how to edit Shopify announce bar text. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can edit your Shopify announce bar text. First, go to your Shopify admin panel, and then on the left panel go to the online store. Now go to customize. Now click on your announce text. Now here you will see announce bar and welcome to our store. Just click on that. On the right side you will see announcement text. Just click on that. Select the full text and then write your new text. After that, on the bottom you will see link. You can add any link to this announce text, like your product page link, collection page or other. So let's going to add a product link. All product. And if you want to change the announcement bar color, then click on the announcement bar, and then on the right side you will see color scheme. Just click on change, and then here you will see the different color template. Like I am going to choose this one, and then it will change, and you can add any of color. After that, on the top right corner click on save, and that's how you can change the announcement text. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.